Yo, what's up guys, it's Alex and today I'm doing the Halloween event. Yeah, I told you I would make one, so, well, here it is. So, I'm recording with my backup phone, I guess you can say. And, oh, here's Jack. Here's what I've been waiting for. Hold on, let me talk to him for a sec. Trick or treat. Ho, ho, ho. He. I am Jack, the reuniting Caesar of Halloween. This is a night of fright and delight, which comes but once a year. That's right, Halloween is here. Ah, what a thrill it's been to see the stage on neon. The anticipation giving me goosebumps. Pumpkin. Now the hour has come, and it's an accomplice I seek. Tell me, Pumpkin, do you think you fit the bill? Absolutely. Or I don't think so. Absolutely. Hee. What a agreeable little minion. With my servants and some well done. And the work is that you ask. Here is the task. You must fetch me that delectable candy. Oh, why? I detected you have some candy on you right now. Trick or treat. Come. Hand me that candy, Pumpkin. What if I say no? But I'm gonna do it. Here you go. 19 bits of candy for ya. Wee. Time to treat myself. Oh, scary scrumptious. And now what did I want? You must come to me with make some space and post here. There's no time to waste. Okay. Now I'm gonna leave the video here. I'm sorry, I was planning on doing it for the whole entire day, or not the whole entire day, but you guys know what I mean. But, oh yeah. So apparently Tangy did a little spell on me, and this is what I look like now. Looks pretty cool though. Basically what she did, she gave me red eyes, with some like pumpkin kind of cheeks. I think this looks pretty cool. Now, yeah, sorry about that. I thought this was going to be a little bit of a longer video, but turns out it's not. But tomorrow I'm going to make the scary special of Halloween, even though it's going to be a day late. Yeah, because my phone's going to die. I'm so sorry. So, yeah. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Wait. Before I say that. Goodbye.